Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. Let me start with a story. One day I opened my laptop and found files everywhere. Notes, PDF, photos, all mixed up. So I did what all of us do. I went to ChatGPT and typed how to organize my laptop. See, ChatGPT gave me a perfect answer.
Nice.
The advice was great, but then reality hit. ChatGPT tells you what to do, but you have to do everything by yourself. I had to create folders manually, drag files one by one, rename each files. For 10 files is fine, but for hundreds of files,
Nope.
that's painful. That's when I thought, what if an AI could not only explain but actually handle things automatically for users? And that's where OpenClaw comes in. This is the official website of OpenClaw. See what it says. The AI that actually does things. Clear your inbox, send emails, manage your calendar, checks you in for flights, all from WhatsApp, Telegram, or any chat app you already use. ChatGPT gives advice, but OpenClaw gives automated help to users again and again. Earlier, the platform was known as CloudBot, but there was one big issue. The name sounded very similar to Claude Sonnet. This created confusion among users and in branding also. To avoid that and to build a clear independent identity, the name was changed to OpenClaw. See, one big problem with installing tools like this directly on your PC is trust. Once a program is installed, it can potentially read your files, run in the background, use system resources without you noticing. And if anything breaks or behaves unexpectedly, your whole system is affected, not just the app. So, what's the way out? Simple. Instead of installing it directly on your personal PC, you host it in a separate environment. For example, you can install it on a VPS or a hosting service like Hostinger. This way, your main PC stays untouched, everything runs in isolation. Even if someone goes wrong, your system is safe. Now, here's the best part. If you are a student or a beginner and don't want to spend money, you can use GitHub. GitHub is free, reliable, and it is perfect for learning and testing. So instead of risking my laptop, I let the code live outside my PC and I stay in control. So let's begin. After opening this OpenClaw GitHub page, you have to log in with your email account. I already also logged in, and then you have to click here code space, then create code space. See, our code base is ready. Then again you have to open your GitHub page. If you scroll down, see here pnpm install. You have to copy it and run it. See, this setup is done. Now you have to install the OpenClaw. In this GitHub page, you see install recommended. You have to copy this and paste it. See, our installation is started. Here you have to select yes. Now here select quick start. See here list of model came and I want to select from here this open router. See, I am opening open router page here. You have to sign in with your email account. I have already signed in. So here you have to click models. Day to day basis, whatever model they have launched, it showing here. Here search for free models. Now I am selecting GLM 4.5 AR free model and you can select anyone. Click here create API key. Click here create. Give one name to your API key. Now click create. Now copy this API key. This is completely free. Paste this API key here. Select one of this free model. I have select this. I am selecting Telegram because I don't use it very frequently. So even if the bot sends message or notifications, it won't disturb my daily work or personal chats. It stays separate, clean and controlled. So just select Telegram. See, it suggests some steps to follow. Open Telegram and chat with bot further. Run new bot. Copy the token. Let's follow it step by step. Here I am opening my Telegram account and I have signed in. Here search bot further. Now write start. Then write slash new bot. Enter. Write one name for your bot. I am writing SIT Telebot. Now select one username in this format. Now see, one API key is generated. Please copy it and paste it. Paste it here. Now select no to configure skills now. It's not recommended. Skip this gateway service. See, our onboarding completed and it says use the dashboard link above to control OpenClaw. Now click here SIT Telebot. See, it's created. Now again open the GitHub page and see here you have to come under quick start. Copy this line OpenClaw gateway. See, I have run this gateway. Now see, one pairing code is coming under SIT Telebot. Please copy this OpenClaw pairing approve command. Now paste this code here. Now see, it approved our Telegram sender. Now start with saying hello. See, our bot is typing. Now you can ask any question here. Right here, what is AI? Now enter. See here, it respond perfectly. So now you can see the bot is live on Telegram. I don't need to explain the steps again. I don't need to reply manually. I don't even need to be online. Once it's running with OpenClaw, it can do everything for me automatically. It listens, it understands, and it responds. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it helped you understand how this setup works in real life. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.